Itchycoo Park by the Small Faces. I've just learned this to do in my band. We don't have a keyboard player, so I had a look at what Steve Marriott was doing. I saw a video of him playing in Sweden, Stockholm. Really grainy video, but he's so cool. Just heavy distortion, riffing all over it. I'm just nothing like that, but I'm really sloppy. But this is what I've figured out I'll play, and here we go. Okay, I'm playing it clean with just a bit of King Fuzz gain on it. Ooh. All right, here we go. Got that wrong, so. Why did you do it? It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. I'll show you what I'm doing there at least. Intro. First two notes are the open E and A strings. And then an A, and I'm just like down, up, flicking it around. And I'm muting it straight after with this hand. So it's E, A, and then two on the A strings, and I'm really only fretting the G, B, and D, G, and B strings. Then I'm going to the F sharp minor. And what I'm doing is I'm playing an open E, and then fretting the F sharp minor chord, and same strum, a quick double flick. Might even be three in there. And I lift that open E to an F sharp on the fat E string. Then after the intro, it's to an A. Over the bridge of sighs. You can slide into a C sharp minor there, it sounds nice. Over the bridge of sighs. C sharp minor. And it's the fifth string minor bar chord shape, if you know it. Bar all the strings from the fifth one down on the fourth fret. And then you play what looks like an A minor chord with these fingers just there. Take it you know that. So, over bridge of sighs. And what I do is I kind of go over bridge of sighs. And this, you just pick from the bottom E B string and G. Bottom string, B string, G string. On the bridge of sighs. And then I'm sliding into a G chord. And then not playing anything else, just letting it ring. On the bridge of sighs. So the slide on the G is kind of the Jimi Hendrix way of playing the chord. Nothing stopping you barring it like that if you want to. I'll find it harder. On the bridge of sighs, Itchycoo Park, that's where I've been. And then it's to a D. But I'm playing the D with on the 7th fret. I'm just playing from the D string, the G string and the B string, and doing the old Keith Richards lick, where I'm effectively hammering on to the B string 8th fret and the D string 9th fret. Quite hard one with the timing. You can see I'm going out with it. I'm still getting under my fingers. On the bridge of sun, to Itchycoo Park, that's where. So, and then go to a, after you've played that, so on the bridge of sun. Doing there is after the D, I'm going up here, I'm playing an open E, and then hammering onto the G and pulling off, or I'm actually plucking it as well, and then just playing an A from the 5th string. So I'll try and play it. I know it's sloppy. On the bridge of sun, and then it's to the chorus. Now on this bit, I'm going to be singing that word. What did you do there? What did you do there? What did you see there? What did you cry there? So the chorus though is that you got that riff, quick G to D. What did you do there? What did you see there? How did you feel there? And then it's to the chorus. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. A, F sharp minor. Now after the F sharp minor and even into the chorus, I'm going to do a. It's all too beautiful. 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 Then it goes to the nice quiet bit, which is I'm just going to slide up to A. I'm going to let it ring. And then same to a C. Groove about G. In the sun. So on that bit, so it's going to be sliding into the A for the middle one. They all come out to overbound. G, D, and then I'm playing a D chord, but with the third finger all the way up on the 10th string, and that's actually an A, because that root note there is an A. B, A, play, and then just use your finger to mute the G string. That one's muting that G string so you can't hear anything. And then I just play the bottom 3 strings. They all come out to overbound. G, D, A. That's actually an A chord. And then you play it again, another bar of that. You can pick notes out over that, so I'll be just going. Come out to That's it. That's what I'm going to be playing. I hope there's some help. Cheers, guys.